I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on your name down here, just click on it. Then you can to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on data controls, you just click on it. Then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to improve the model for everyone. Click here in this sign. So like you see, this color for assets may improve the model for everyone. Enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.